Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to complain about a YouTube video on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give it a like. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on our iPhone or iPad. And then we're going to find the video in our recommendations or in our queries. And in order to complain about it, there are 3 dots under the videos. Click here. There's Upload Video, Save, Share, and down here at the bottom, there's a report. Click here. Then we select the reason why we want to complain, and click Report. You can also do that. We're going to go to the video. Now, when we're out of commercials, we can go ahead and turn it over. Click on Settings at the top. Fly down. Click Report. Then select the reason why we want to complain, and click Report. After that, our complaint will be reviewed by the YouTube team. And that's how you can do it simply. If you liked this video, you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.